Have you lost hope? Then you need this. Do you have big dreams? Then you need this. Do you want to help others, help charities and special causes? Then you need this. If you cannot work, if you're alone, if you are frightened, then you definitely need this. So what is this? This is your complete solution to rebuilding your business, rebuilding your wealth, rebuilding your social interactions and online presence, and helping you to rebuild your assistance in helping lift humanity. Please take a look at this before it's too late.